principal, teachers, students, officers, members of the Red Cross Youth. Today, we commemorate World Red Cross Day to mark the founding of the Global Red Cross and Red Crescent movement. It is also a time for us to salute humanitarian workers around the world whose selflessness and dedication bring hope to people, especially in the light of the global COVID-19 pandemics. Around the world, millions of the Red Cross and Red Crescent volunteers reach out to more than 270 million people each year. This is done through a wide range of community services and initiatives, as well as disaster response and early recovery program. Interestingly, half of these volunteers are youth. Likewise, there are more than 5,000 Red Cross Youth members in Singapore. Since inception in 1952, the Red Cross Youth in Singapore has played a very important role in meeting today's humanitarian needs and initiating changes to address tomorrow's challenges. This is why Red Cross Youth offer a comprehensive and holistic program to prepare our youth for life. In Nurturing Compassion, we offer an engaging platform that allows youth to see themselves as part of a larger community. For Leaders for Humanities, we shed varied voluntary roles and training opportunities to inspire and facilitate positive action. Lastly, we forge global friendship for humanity by providing platform for youth to participate in humanitarian initiatives and peer-to-peer networking opportunities. In the current challenging situation, we will continue to work in tandem with the school and the teachers to strengthen these strands as our unique value proposition of the Red Cross Youth Movement. Red Cross Youth is working towards continuing and strengthening our curriculum online for the cadets so that they will continue to learn. The ongoing COVID-19 situation is a shining example of how the community bands together and finds strength through adversities. From our silent heroes such as the healthcare workers and other frontline staff who work tirelessly to ensure the safety of the public, to the parents and youth who practice social distancing and good hygiene habits, many Singaporeans are doing their part to help Singapore fight COVID-19. During this challenging time, it is heartening to see youth coming forward to spread the spirit of care and positivities. We hear stories of Red Cross Youth members who have come together to support the vulnerable through fundraising and the distribution of hygiene and essential items. Our very own Red Cross Youth chapters recently launched Project Courage, where they express their appreciation and gratitude to the silent heroes such as the healthcare workers, hawker center cleaners, bus captain, taxi drivers, security guards, and many others. We are proud of them for demonstrating their empathy and compassion, and we will continue to facilitate and support them to do so during these trying times. Moving forward, Red Cross will continue our activities and effort to provide support to the vulnerable person. Red Cross Youth will also scale up on activities planned under the SPLASH program, which stands for School Promoting and Learning About Safety, as well as WASH, Water, Sanitation and Hygiene. These activities will educate cadets on the important topics such as basic hygiene, water security, and dengue awareness. In conclusion, I would like to thank all the school leaders, teachers, and youth officers for your support and dedication in developing our Red Cross Youth members. To all our Red Cross Youth members, thank you for making a positive difference in our communities by empowering the life of the vulnerable and strengthening community resilience. As youth today, you are the leaders of tomorrow. I hope that you will make good use of all the abundant resources that you are available to you in this digital age to continue creating positive social impact. To the rest of you, always remember that a little bit of kindness and compassion goes a long way. The more engaged you are with the societies, the better the future we can build together. By doing your part for the vulnerable today, you can change the world we live in tomorrow. Thank you and happy World Red Cross Day.